Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to broadcast WhatsApp messages for your matrimony business. So if you're running a matrimony business, then manually sharing all the new matches and meetup invites can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a message template which will be broadcasted to your respective contact list on the scheduled time. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing broadcast, then let me take you to my screen. Here I have created this broadcast for our matrimonial business. Before we begin the procedure of creating this broadcast, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and here we can see that we have received the template message from Matrimony Business. That means our broadcast is working perfectly fine. This broadcast has been sent to the respective contact list with the same details. So now if you also want to create the broadcast, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the procedure of creating our broadcast. For that, access the feature from here, and then to create a new broadcast, simply click on Add Broadcast. Here we have to select broadcast type as broadcast campaign, and here we have to provide our broadcast name as Matrimony Business. Then we have to select our contact list. To create a new contact list, you simply have to access the contacts feature from here, open it in new tab and then click on this plus icon here, and here you have to provide your contact list name as Matrimony Business. You can add all the additional details and then simply click on Add, and your new contact list will be created. Now we can use it in our broadcast. Here we have to select our contact list, and then Pabbly provides us with two types of messages, template message and regular message. Here I am going to select template message, and for that simply click on select WhatsApp template. You will get a list of all the approved template messages. To create a template, you have to access the template feature from here. Also open it in new tab, and then to create a new template, simply click on Add Template. Here I have selected template category as marketing, And I have provided template name as matrimony. And here you will get a list of all the languages. You can select whichever language you want. Then we get template type as text, image, video, document, location, carousel, limited time offer and catalog. Here I have simply selected text. Here I have provided template header which will appear here in this bold format. Then in the template format, we will add all the details that we want the user to receive, and if you want to highlight specific parts, you can add asterisk signs in the beginning and at the end of the text, and it will make your text appear bold like that. So here I am going to add these asterisk signs. And then we have to lastly provide a template footer which will appear here. Then we get interactive options as call to action, quick replies and all of the above. Here I am going to select none and then I am going to submit my template. So once the template is approved, you can select your approved template. Here I am going to select this one. And then we also get an option to send a test message in which we can see how our broadcast message appear to the user. So here I am going to add my details. Here I am going to provide my phone number and I am going to simply click on send test message. Here it says test broadcast sent, and now I am going to visit my WhatsApp and see whether we have received our broadcast template or not. So here in the WhatsApp, as we can see, we have received this template message from Matrimony Business that we created. That means our broadcast and template are working perfectly fine. So I am going back to my broadcast, and lastly, we have to just schedule our broadcast. We can either schedule it for later or send it instantly. So here, if you choose to schedule it for later, you have to provide a particular date and time on which our broadcast will be scheduled and sent. Here I am selecting to send it instantly. Then I am going to click on add broadcast. And here it says broadcast created successfully. So this is how you create broadcast for Matrimony Business. If you want to create the same, you can follow the procedure as I've shown in this video. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.